46 Basic Sounds of Japanese. This video will guide you on how the 46 basic sounds are arranged and how the 5 special rules change consonant pronunciation. This is a list of the 46 basic sounds of Japanese. These sounds are written in one of the Japanese characters called hiragana or katakana. The rightmost vertical column consists of 5 vowels, a, I, U, E, O, from the top to the bottom. This column is a column of vowels. The consonants are arranged from right column to the left, in the order of K, S, T, N, H, M, Y, R, W. Each column consists of the combinations of a consonant and the 5 vowels, along with each letter, which should be read starting with a consonant. For example, K column is read as ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Since we have 5 vowels and 10 consonants, all the possible combinations should be 50 sounds. However, some of the combinations are not possible in the Japanese language. 2 sounds are missing from the Y column, and 3 sounds are missing from the W column. It is said that yi and wu never existed, but the remaining 3 sounds historically disappeared. So far, we have shown 45 basic sounds. The final sound is Listen again. This last sound is special in a sense that it is a consonant that has no combination with a vowel. So the first sound of Japanese is ah, articulated with your mouth widely open, and the last sound of Japanese is The total number of basic sounds is 46. One more thing we need to remember is that some consonants are pronounced differently depending on the following vowel. Consonants S, T, H, and W undergo such changes. Especially C, T, Tu, Hu, Wo have to change into different sounds due to special rules. Rule number 1, C sound changes to she. Rule number 2, T sound changes to chi. Rule number 3, Tu sound changes to tsu. Rule number 4, Hu sound changes to hu. Rule number 5, W sound is not pronounced before O. Therefore, the combination of W and O together, wo, would just be pronounced as O. Congratulations! You have now learned the 46 basic sounds of Japanese.